Hello guys, welcome to Wire Network. In this video tutorial, we will be changing Wi-Fi password on TP-Link Wi-Fi router. Before start, connect your TP-Link router either via Ethernet cable or through Wi-Fi to your computer. Next, we will use the command line tool to get the IP address of the TP-Link router. In the CMD window, type ipconfig and press enter. It will display the router's IP address. Next, find out the default gateway of your router. Open a web browser and type in the router's IP address in the address bar. You should see a login page. Enter the router's username and password. After logging in, you'll be directed to the router's settings page. Next, go to wireless settings. Within the wireless settings, you'll find options related to change Wi-Fi password. That's it. You've now successfully learned to change Wi-Fi password on TP-Link router.